After this crash at round 2 in Unadilla, it has been ruled out that RJ Hampshire will not be racing this weekend. Apparently, might not be too bad. From what I saw or what I read, there was no specifics to it, but it probably is just either a light concussion or who knows. They do say, or from what I read from Kellen Braun, whatever it is, on Twitter, after this weekend, it'll be another decision whether he races next week. But as you can see right about there, that bike tumbling and him ragdolling, you gotta say it's pretty good that, one, he didn't get hit by everyone else behind him, considering half the field is behind him, or more, 3/4, and coming on the first, second corner like that on the outside, it's really good that a lot of people didn't just end up clipping him or running him over. And he did get up, and you can see here he's a little bit woozy, probably, a little cobweb knocked loose and kind of doesn't know where he's going. And then trying to get into this truck, you can see he's like right there, misses just a little bit. So I'd say a little bit of concussion, probably just a little bit of a safety thing, especially with him not being in the championship contention this year. Why risk his health, or why risk racing when there's no real point for it other than pride and maybe some bonuses if you get up close. But with that, go down, comment below. When do you think we'll be back? Are you liking this season? Do you think, the Hunter or Deegan battle is probably good? Obviously, it's pretty much over at this point, but whatever it is, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.